Hello, friends. Very good morning, very good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And I hope you all are doing very good in this pandemic situation. So, today we are going to go to Makaliduga Trek, guys, which is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore and very interesting place. It is in Doblapur, guys. So, it is if you're going from the Hebbal, you need to take a diversion towards left side, not straight. For Skandagiri Hill and Nandi Hills, you go straight, but for this, we need to take a diversion left side, that is Doblapur. Guys, let me tell you, we went in the morning. The road was awesome, no traffic, and I really enjoyed it. Yeah, actually, when I go to Nandi Hills Road, it is boring every time we go there, but this road was really awesome. And coming to the trek, guys, it is about people say in the internet that it is a 4 kilometers trek. It is nothing like that. It is just 3 kilometers trek, and it is moderate. I would say for new trekkers, it is very easy and. My tips is carry ample of water, maybe 1 or 2 liters of water. You won't get anything over there. Okay, and people also say that you need to walk on the bridge for 2 kilometers, which is absolutely wrong. You just have to cross the bridge, guys. To start at the trek point, you just have to cross the bridge. When you go to the start point of the trek, nothing but you will get a very good parking lot, ample of parking. Once you park your bike or car, after that you just have to cross the bridge and you will get a start point of the trek where you need to show the online ticket booking. You have to mandatorily book the online ticket and go, guys. So in this description I will give the link, how to book the ticket. Okay, 250 rupees is the ticket per head, and morning 6 o'clock they'll allow, and by evening 5 o'clock you have to exit. The right time to visit is monsoon, but 365 days you can visit this place. I really enjoyed it. Unfortunately, guys, I recorded this in GoPro or SD cam, this action camera, everything from the start point of home to the trek. Unfortunately, all the videos got deleted, guys, so I'm not able to show the bike ride from house to trek. However, I'm going to cover in the trek how what experience we did, how it was the trek. So that time, next time I'll make sure that everything is captured from the start point to end point. So that's it, guys. Let's look at the video in detail. I hope you'll enjoy it. If you enjoy, like it, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe it, because I have on a timely manner I upload on a trek related videos and travel related videos. So that's it. So let's start the video, and do enjoy it. If you want to share something, opinion, do let me know in comments. Thank you.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past we simply let fade. Oh, but I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when
So friends, we have just reached the entrance of the Makaliduga trek. You can see the board over here. We are just taking the left turn. Excellent scenery, guys. This water or lake is looking very nice over here. Superb. Super. If you have come by morning 7:30, if you have reached here, it would have been much better. So friends, I think we crossed about 40% of the trek, or I would say maximum 50%. Still more than 50% is there. So let's see how it goes. Until now, I will not say risky. It's not so risky, but little steep. Okay, little difficult, but not so risky. Like Savandurga or let's say Kabalama, it's not so risky. So let's continue. Otherwise, I'm just taking a break, and scenery is very good. The atmosphere is very good, very nice. Other side there is a lake kind of thing. I will show from the top if possible. Well, way back I will also try to go to the water. Okay.
when there's no hope hiding, no chance.
And this is one of the nice scenery. Again, you can see lake over there, water. Very nice from top. It will look much better actually. Very nice. So I think we have completed 50%. Still 50% also is there. So
until now the experience is very good, and the way back is, I mean, the walkway is not a problem, not like this actually. There is stones, we can walk easily. Only here I found like a Samandurga and Kapalamma, very smooth, but still I made it up. I came on this instead of coming there, and from here I have to see how is the way. Until then you can enjoy this cinematic scene.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me.
Naveen, what are you doing? Hey, Bahubali, Bahubali, the great. What happened? Be careful, mud is there in that. Insects are there only in the mud. Good, yaar. I mean, you're able to break that is such a tree also. Lift, tree only for him.
take photo, Bala.
So guys, we have almost reached the peak over there. You can see fort over there. We thought it is lengthier, but it is not so difficult. So almost reached the peak. So it is not so difficult as we expected. Not like Skandagiri. It is, I would say, moderate or less difficulty. It is normal. Even starting people or new people can start. Let me come to the point, guys. We have already reached the peak actually. You can see over there. There is a tower actually, a fort kind of thing. So that is the peak, and it is not so difficult. I think this is suitable for the newcomers, new people who want to start trek, and moderate one. It's not so easy also, it's not so difficult also. So let me not compare with the Tirupati. Tirupati is a normal steps. Okay, 3.5 kilometers. But here it is 4 kilometers, but no proper steps. Okay, it's a normal rocks on stones and mud you have to walk. However, as I said, there is no slippery kind of thing. Even though little bit rock is there, but there is a very good grip. Okay, like this you can see here. So easily you can have a grip and walk. And make sure that you wear at least a new sport shoes or a trekking shoes which has got good button. Possibly try not to wear the old shoes which has gone, like torn or buttons has gone. Don't wear that, because I used once in Skandagiri, it was slipping. Wear a proper shoes. So let's go ahead, guys. So going towards the peak, guys. We are almost reached. So as I said, this is not so difficult. This is suitable for new people who are just going to start the trek. And yeah, place is cool, but in case if you're coming in monsoon or in rainy season, you'll really enjoy it. Otherwise also in summer also looks fine, but only in the peak there is no cool place to spend time. That is the problem. Otherwise in every trek there will be a cool place somewhere you can take rest, but here you cannot. You have to search for a real good place for the trek, guys, to take rest. I mean, let's climb up. Okay, there one place is there to take rest. Temple that is, right?
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for
I really don't know what is this. No, it's not a temple, guys. Some kind of room over here. I don't know, really don't know. I think yeah, some kind of room or storage. I think that times are Jamanas. Let's go back. Where are our friends? Yes. See the trees, guys. Very nice view. Very nice flowers. Okay. And here is a tamarind tree. I get scared of this tamarind tree because of insects. And yes, good flowers. I really like these flowers, guys. these flowers I like it. These are my favorite. So many are there. So many are there. This is the tree for the flowers. Okay. And see, they're very big tree of that flowers. Okay, so here I mean once you okay guys, that side there's a temple over here. We will visit that. But meanwhile we are trying to go to the different place. Let's just try to explore a different place. I showed you the tree, right? Flower tree. We are going there. So let's see. Okay. So guys, we have already reached the peak. I hope it is recording properly. We have reached the peak and very nice weather here. You can see this place, very nice scenery, and this side you can see the lake over here. And after this we are planning to go to the lake, and this side there is a temple. We are trying to go to the temple as well, but we found some incorrect information in YouTube videos. Some of the people uploaded, and even in internet it says about 4 kilometers guys, but actually it is 3 kilometers. We are surprised. I sensed because I thought I reached early comparing to Skandagiri. That's why I thought it's less. Then we checked in Google, my friend. We just covered 3 kilometers, right? Like that's what I'm telling. This is very less, 3 kilometers. So this place is suitable for the new people who are just starting, right? So for them. So finally we are at the temple. It is said to be a Lord Shiva temple here. Let us see practically. We'll
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for.
So friends, finally we have reached to the peak and going to the temple, which is said to be a Lord Shiva temple. So this is the temple over here. So friends, we are going to explore again some new places over here. It was 3 kilometers. We are going to make this 4 to 5 kilometers, exploring something new, within this peak. Okay, there are, it's allowed only. I think that's why they have made a route also. Let's see where this leads to. But Naveen, why don't we go normal route? Yeah, why are you going down? Normally, I thought that way is there something. Okay, let's try and see. Let us go. Hey Samu, so fine guys, time to start back, getting down. So it was a nice trip, or it's a nice trek actually, not difficult one. So only mistake what I did today is I didn't carry ample of water. I'm missing water. The water was there, we will enjoy this more, okay, with full energy. So however, time to go back, going down. I think it is now almost 11 o'clock, 5 minutes is there. I think by 11:30, sorry, 11:30, 11:15, sorry, 11:30, 11:45 should be back.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you.
So friends, as I said, we are climbing down again, but just one point I want to make clarified. You should be very careful while getting down, guys, because you might slip, and also these rocks are not in proper shape, and your shoes should be very good one. Your wish, sir. And make sure that you don't run, and if possible you walk cross, not straight. Straight means there is a chance of falling. If you walk cross, then very less chance of getting slipped or falling. So go slowly, and once or twice. First time will be difficult, but once or twice if you go for any trek, then you will get practice. So let's take a break for 2 minutes. Good place to take a break. Only missing thing is water, right? We need water, badly we need water, but nice place. Friends, just see this notice from the forest department. This is very important. This says public notice, Makali Hills comes under Makali Reserve Forest. This place is under the supervision of Durlapur Forest Department. Illegal entry is prohibited and offence under section 24C subsection 2 of Karnataka Forest Act 1963. Illegal trekking is strictly prohibited. Forest Department will provide certified trekking guidance if public and trekkers demand through website. Okay, myecotrip.com, guys. You need to book online tickets through myecotrip.com. And night trekking not allowed, guys. I think earlier it was supposed to allow, but now night trekking is not at all allowed. And timing is 6 o'clock in the AM till 5 o'clock. And as usual, alcohol, smoking, plastics are not allowed. So please adhere to the law. So finally, guys, we have reached the surface, and we are just heading towards the parking lot. So typically once I reach the parking lot, I will end this vlog or travel log or this trekking log. So first of all, before reaching the parking lot, I would like to have water or coconut, water, tender coconut water. I hope it is available. Maybe because there is a lack of, like shortage of what do you call inventory. So guys, finally found the tender coconut. Had no water, no choice. So had 3 tender coconut. People, my friends had 4, 4, 3, 3. So finally, until we get water, I think this is sufficient, more energy. So now we are planning to go back. So you can see, guys, here, try to carry ample of water. If not, only tender coconut is available. Okay. So now let's go to the parking lot. So friends, finally got down and had a very good tender coconut, and we are heading back now. That is the parking lot. Taking the bikes and going back. If possible, we will visit the water lake. Otherwise, it was a nice trek, and very short trek, I would say 3 kilometers. It was nice journey, and yeah, now next we'll see. Next week I will not go, but next to next week we will try to go somewhere, and if possibly maybe we'll go for a long bike drive. So I'll keep you posted. So in case if you're liking this, travel vlogs or something, you can like this video and subscribe this channel, because I usually make travel vlogs, and I visit many of trekking places within Bangalore and within Karnataka as well. And if time permits, I will visit outside Karnataka also. Next plan is to go to Ooty or Pondicherry in bike or in car. So that also I will cover. So having said, just to summarize, the thing is, it is 60 kilometers from Bangalore. This Makali Durga trek. The trek is about 3 kilometers. It is, I would say, easy and less moderate. I would not say difficult. But only thing is, you wear proper shoes. Trekking shoes are nice, sports shoes, or and carry ample of water. So if you're a new person, I would say carry 1 liter of water. That is sufficient. To be safe side, if you carry 2 liters of water, that is very, very good. Okay. So first timers, be careful. If you're second or third time, you don't have to worry, you know more than me, or maybe carry ample of water and try to come in early, 6 o'clock login 6 o'clock or 6:30, not in the afternoon. Second thing, please book online and come in advance, don't come directly. Third thing, if you want to really enjoy, come in monsoon. So with this said guys, see you in my next video. Take care, bye bye.